This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shira Bhagavatula. Welcome to Ranches at Lake Mcleod. Here is a new construction home for rent. Come check out this amazing home complete with 5 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bath. This open concept floor plan home comes with a beautiful living room, kitchen and dining area combination along with a half bath and laundry room are on the main floor. The heart of the home has a quartz center island that overlooks the dining and family room, great for entertaining. As you go up to the second floor you will find a nice loft area and surrounding that are the other bedrooms and bathrooms. The owner suite features an expansive bedroom that is connected to a spa-inspired owner bathroom with his and her sinks, large shower and a roomy walk-in closet. This home comes fully equipped with everything included features like brand new appliances, solid surface countertops throughout and oversized tile flooring in the wet areas. High-speed internet is included with the rent. Washer and dryer included. This home is what you have been looking for, a brand new home in a beautiful masterplan community of new single-family homes. The city of Eagle Lake is just a short distance from ample outdoor recreation, shopping, dining and more in nearby Winter Haven. Popular attractions include Chain of Lakes Sports Complex, Legoland, Lake Mcleod and the downtown strip. Tenant credit score must be 550 and above.